Out here working in the shop again on Plymouth. Hi, it's Morgan, Wild West Garage. So working on this left rear fender. I wasn't going to take the fender off originally. I fixed the front of it without doing that. But it's probably a good thing I ended up taking it off because there was an issue with the flange right in this area right about there. So anyways, I'll show you how I fixed that. Just doing a little work on the driver's side rear fender. Flange is rusted out here. That's where it bolts on there. So it's real close to this edge here, like a quarter an inch away from the edge where there's paint. I don't want to have to repaint this at all here. So heat, I don't want the heat from the weld going out here and bubbling up the paint. So I tape this hunk of paper towel on here. And I'm just going to soak it down with some water. And hopefully it's going to be enough to keep that from getting too hot on the edge there. So anyways, I'll keep an eye on it while I'm welding it. It's gonna burn the paper a little bit, but I'll just keep wetting that, and as I go, it should be good. I know I've never really had any trouble with a little bit of moisture on the weld when I weld it, but we'll see here. See how this goes. Well, I discovered that steam isn't a very good shielding gas. So you can see I started grinding this and then I thought I better make a little video so you can see how bad this is here. So then I kind of struggled along for a bit with it. And then see right here, this spot right here, I moved this, I pulled this further down so that it wasn't right next to the weld, and then it started going a lot better. And then there's another spot right there. Yeah, there's a nice spot right there. That's pretty good. But this was just horrible over here. So I'm just gonna grind this down and see what I got, and then maybe go over it a little bit more. But yeah, just as long as I kept this away from the weld, it didn't seem to affect it, but it was really bad there. You know, I've done this before where I sprayed water on while I'm welding, and it didn't seem to really affect it at all because it would evaporate, right? But here, because there was so much water right here and it was steaming, and just I guess it was pushing the shielding gas away and causing some issues. This actually worked out pretty good. So once I got it ground down, there was a bit of a pinhole there, and a spot where I missed here, didn't have any weld, and there was a bit of a pinhole there, and another spot that I missed the weld here. So looked in the back, penetration's decent, so I think I'm good. And I also put a little piece right here. This side of this tab was rotted away, so that's all good. Get this all cleaned up and put some paint on it and get it back on the car.